All right, so we've got a question here about files. Effectively, the question was, is there a way to just upload files like PDFs without dropping them into a document object? So if I understand it correctly, it's really around, can you upload files directly? And the interesting thing I found is I know they've implemented files as objects in the kind of background of Anytype. And what that means, just to give you a sense, is if we go here and we create, let's just say, it doesn't really matter, but we'll make it a page. Let's say this is where I'm dropping files. So obviously we have a page as an object. It's kind of the container right now. And then let's upload a file, a PDF, as described in the question. So here's my PDF file. It's a PDF. And you can see here, and then you can see this is one object within the other object, right? So this is like our page object up here, and then there's our PDF object down there. And then obviously we can click here and open the file as an object. So it's great. Here's kind of the actual core, right, PDF object. But how do you actually get there to be able to just upload files directly is more of the question as I understand it. And so I think one solution, one pseudo solution, let's create a set of files. So object type, file. And here's my PDF file. So that's great. However, it's pretty interesting because this is one of the only sets that I've seen where there isn't a new button up here, so you can't just create files, which, kind of makes sense, right? If it's not going to just generate a file for you because it needs the actual file there in order to be included in the set. So it's not just going to create an attachment for you that's blank or some sort of, it doesn't know what it's creating. So I think the workaround, if you're trying to just add files to Anytype in some way, shape, or form, what I would do is effectively go, create some object, a page, whatever, any sort of container, and then just sit here and you can just, whoops, keep clicking on that. Then you can just add one after the other, add multiple files, create a second. Here's another file. It's obviously the exact same file, but you could sit there and upload 50 files to the same page, and then if you really wanted to get crazy with it, just delete this object, move this bin. So you're just deleting the page object, right? Just the container, and then you still get this file. And if you had uploaded a different file, you get the second one there. You still have this file set, and you can view them all. And then the beauty of this is now you could go there and you could sit there and you could add tags to different files. You can update them using the relations editing and batch editing through the set view of all of your files. So that'd be kind of the workaround that I would suggest, is just like dump them all into one object, delete that object if you don't want it, and then you'll have a set of files. Hopefully that's helpful. Talk soon.